Hi, it's Tasha with WTI.
I'm in love with Alba's 98% aloe vera after sun gel. It is perfect for when you spent too much time in the sun or you just need to give some relief to your skin. It's as close to putting on natural aloe vera from the plant as I think I could find. The texture is really thick and jelly, and I really like it. I have always liked to use aloe vera on my skin, and this has become very convenient in a squeeze bottle. It's something I can take with me when I go to the beach, or I can put in my purse, or just have it on hand at home when I need some aloe vera. And it's easy to smooth on my skin. It doesn't leave any residue that I would find uncomfortable. I will definitely be repurchasing this product.
That's my point of view.